Oh, ang sarap ngayon magbaba dito, guys. Grabe, sobrang init talaga. So, merong lifeguard dito. Bawal yung magdala ng food. Pero yung drinks, water, pwede naman. And then, dito ko bibili ng mga liquor. Hanap ako ng may shade. Yung mga kanoo, gustong-gusto nila nakababad sa init. Let's go. Yan, ganda dito maligo, guys. Meron din ditong cabana pag gusto nyong mag-rent ng cabana. Beb. Ikot tayo dito sa likuran, guys.
Wow.
Yeah. We can walk around here. It's like you're in the jungle.
It is. I wonder where it goes. Maybe another.
Go to the other pool. It's connected. I like this one. No, it's like connected. Yeah. This is so neat. Wow. I like this one. Wow. Right here? Wow, this is nice, babe. Yeah, another bar. Maybe we should get from here. Right? We walk and then we come back. Oh, there's another jacuzzi here.
Oh my God.
Wow, I didn't know there's more jacuzzi. Babe, we walk here. So, yan guys, merong bar. Dolphin bar. They have more shade here too. Right?
Yeah, it's right here.
Huh?
Great spot right here.
Oh, you can go. Huh? Wow, this is nice.
Some of the rocks, that's great. Let's go over that rock.
Yeah. It's like waterfall. Right?